I'm just coming from my open house and I'm starving. I keep seeing this place on my way home. Half bird, chicken and beer. I'm gonna go check this place out. Okay. Come on. The consensus, the place was good. The servings were pretty good size. It was a little on the expensive side, but the chicken was good. It had a good seasoning or a topping that I can't quite identify, but it was tasty. They have some very unique menu items as well, and beer, so this place is a try, for sure. I'll come back.